Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel where we talk about real estate, money, and investing. Welcome to a lot of new subscribers this week. And in this video I'm going to talk about how to buy your first house. But before I do though, I'm going to ask that you subscribe, like the video. It really helps me out a lot. I would greatly appreciate it. So this is something that I get asked about a lot. Obviously I'm a realtor, so buying houses and selling houses is part of my career, but there's a lot of people that are kind of stressed out about the whole process. So just going to be a simple step-by-step guide how to buy your first house. First off, number one, you're going to want to find a realtor. Some lists, people will say you should get pre-approved first, but I think finding a good realtor will be able to help you with somebody who can get you the best rates. So a good realtor will be able to help you with your pre-approval. So first off, you want to find somebody who obviously is active in the market. You can tell that they've been working in the market and they can really actually demonstrate that they know what they're talking about in real estate. So first off, find a good realtor. Should go without saying. Second of all, get pre-approved. So getting your pre-approval is going to help you so that you're not shopping for houses not being pre-approved. A lot of the times I'll see if someone's not pre-approved, they'll find that perfect house, but then it will get sold and they lose their perfect house because they weren't able to get their financing in order. So you're going to want to get your financing in order before you start looking for houses. So this will involve either going to a financial institution, a bank, to get pre-approved so you'll know how much you can afford, or you're going to want to go to a mortgage broker who can shop around rates for you and get you the best interest rates. So next you're going to want to choose your home. So your realtor will be able to help you decide what things are important to you. They'll be able to help you look long term and really decide financially what's going to make sense. If you want to have children in the near future, if you want to trade jobs, whatever it may be, your realtor is going to be able to help you really define that list of must-haves and things that are nice to have. So they'll be able to set up an online search for you, likely be able to send it right to your email, get updated automatically when new listings hit the market. That should also notify you if there's any price changes, things like that. So you'll have an idea of which houses you want to go see before actually going out and seeing them in person. Obviously next, once you choose your top, say 5, 10 houses, then your realtor will be able to take you out in person and you'll be able to walk through the property and decide which one you would like to make an offer on. So it's important to keep in mind how much you need for your down payment. Most financial institutions will want 20%, but a minimum down payment of 10% will also do, and in many cases you can use a first-time homebuyers program and you pay 5% and the government will actually pitch in the additional 5%. They then take equity in the home, so if the home loses value, they'll lose their investment, and if the home goes up in value, they will gain investment. So it's basically a shared equity program to help first-time homebuyers get into their first home. So your realtor will submit an offer for you, and this will be the negotiation period where you'll go back and forth between the seller's representation and your realtor, and they will negotiate the best price for you. This is also a time where if you were walking through the property and you saw, say, for example, a specific painting on the wall that you wanted, you could negotiate that into the contract that you want to keep that painting, or keep, say, a TV that was attached to the wall. Whatever it may be, anything is negotiable in a real estate contract. So once you come to an agreement of a price and chattel, it's called, of things that are included in the house that typically wouldn't be. So once you have an accepted offer, then you'll enter the due diligence phase. This is where your realtor will put things in place essentially to protect you from buying a house that you shouldn't or being in a bad financial situation. So due diligence, this is where you will remove conditions. So when you have submitted an offer, they will have conditions on the offer. So we will buy this house on the condition of. So some of the conditions that you need to remove during due diligence is 1, your financing needs to be approved. 2, you need to do a home inspection. 3, you can do condition 2, or under the condition that your home sells. So if you are in a home trying to sell it before you buy, you can be on the condition that your home sells. Another one is if you are buying a condo, you want to review the condo documents. So this will show you things that that might come up in the future. If the roof has been replaced recently, if the reserve fund has sufficient funds in it to cover you so that you won't be hit with a special assessment. So all these things will be looked at during the due diligence phase. And once all these conditions have been removed, then your contract is what is called firm. So you have officially bought the house. So once you have a firm contract, you're going to want to bring all your documentation over to the lawyer. They will be in charge of transferring the funds eventually and really putting the house in your name. So this will bring you to possession day. Possession day comes at around noon. You should get a call. So on moving day, possession day, you really shouldn't be moving or calling moving companies to move in the morning because you likely won't have key release until the afternoon. So I, as your buying realtor, will get a call that we have key release. I will go pick up the keys for you and then meet you at the home and transfer the keys over to you, and you have officially bought your home. You can move in. So obviously that was a very quick step-by-step process, very simplified, but I just wanted to give you the basic steps. Obviously your realtor will help you with a lot of the specifics of it, but if you have any more questions, I have a buyer's guide that I made. It really includes everything that you need to know, down to the prices of your inspections, the prices of your lawyer, everything. So if you would like that, DM me on Instagram or comment down below and I'll send it your way right away. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Once again, I ask that you leave a like. It would really mean a lot to me, and I will see you in the next video.